Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Mercury versus Johnson outboard motors. To help you decide which is better, we'll dive into their core differences. We'll look at their historical reputations, common applications, and what makes each brand unique. This will give you a clear picture of their strengths and weaknesses, guiding your choice for your next boating adventure. When it comes to reliability, both brands have strong points. Mercury engines, especially newer models, boast cutting-edge engineering and impressive fuel economy. Johnson, though no longer manufactured, built a legacy on straightforward, rugged designs that were easy to maintain and repair. Many Johnson motors from decades past are still running strong today, a testament to their enduring durability. In terms of performance and technology, Mercury leads with innovation. They offer a vast horsepower range, from 2.5 to 600 horsepower, featuring advanced four-stroke designs and digital integration. Johnson, historically, excelled with two-stroke engines, known for their powerful low-end thrust and mechanical simplicity. While Johnson focused on proven designs, Mercury continuously pushes boundaries with features like Smart Craft, offering a more refined and technologically advanced boating experience. Considering maintenance and parts, Mercury benefits from a vast, active dealer network, making new parts readily available worldwide. For Johnson, while new parts are scarce, a strong aftermarket and used parts market exists, especially for common components. Johnson's simpler mechanical design often makes basic repairs more accessible for the average boater. Ultimately, consistent maintenance is key for either brand to ensure years of reliable operation on the water.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.